Hi Cougars, I'm Mrs. Biggs, your principal. I wanted to welcome you back for the school year and welcome you into our Cougar family. We're really disappointed that we can't host our traditional open house the night before school, and since we couldn't do that, we thought we would take you on a little tour of the school. Hi Cougars, welcome to Crichfield. Come on in. Hey Cougars, welcome to the office. I'm Mrs. Bai, and that's Mrs. Pavey, and we're here to help you with anything you need. So here we are at the main Crossroads, the major intersection of Crichfield. When you come in through the main doors, which we just walked through, you will enter this hallway. Down this way, where the rainbow is, you'll find our kindergarten classrooms and our life skills classrooms, as well as speech.
Welcome to kindergarten. You'll always know you're here if you see the rainbow wall. Come check out our classroom. Just outside our classrooms, we have our own kindergarten playgrounds.
Hi, welcome to one of our life skills classrooms.
In this direction, you will run by our art room, the cafeteria, as well as the gym. And then we have two sets of ramps in the building. Ramps that go upstairs to 3rd and 4th grade.
Hi Cougars, welcome to 3rd grade. Welcome to 4th grade.
And ramps that go downstairs to 1st and 2nd grade.
Welcome to 1st grade.
Hi everyone, welcome to 2nd grade.
Welcome to our library. We really love reading here at Crichfield, and Mrs. Oman, our librarian, is a fantastic storyteller. You're sure to love going on some magical journeys and reading with her. This is our music classroom. Mrs. Milo is your music teacher, and she's sure to instill a love for music, whether it's singing together or playing instruments or learning how to read music. In our Project Lead the Way class, Mrs. Talbert will teach you all about the engineering design process and help to build your growth mindset. Here in art class, you will work with Mrs. Hay, learning all about famous artists and their masterpieces, and even create your own. Here in gym with Mrs. Novorowski, you're going to learn about keeping your head, your heart, and your body healthy. Time for lunch! As you walk through your food line, you'll make your lunch choices and you'll check out here. Once you have your food and you've checked out, you can head into the cafeteria. And here we are at everyone's favorite spot, the playground and outdoor learning lab. We hope you enjoyed the tour of our school, and we look forward to seeing you very soon.